Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an LD brand compatible Brother LC3033 ink cartridge in your Brother MFC-J995DW printer. A brand new Brother MFC-J995DW includes the Brother LC3033 black, cyan, magenta, and yellow ink cartridges, and cartridges are sold in a super high yield and an ultra high yield, which offers more prints per cartridge. Okay, so we have a brand new LD brand LC3033 cyan cartridge here, which is what we're going to be replacing today. I've already taken it out of the plastic wrap. We've got one more final step we need to do to prep the cartridge before we insert it into the printer. And I actually like to do this step over a trash can, so let me grab a trash can really quick and we'll continue the process here. Okay, so we've got our trash can. All you got to do is just take off the yellow tag here. And the reason why I did it over a trash can is sometimes ink can escape while you're doing this, so it's always better to be safe and just have a trash can ready to go. That's going to expose the vent hole so the cartridge is ready. Another thing to be aware of while you're doing this is the gold contact points here. It's very small on this particular cartridge, but sometimes if fingerprint residue or dust gets on the gold contacts, it could cause a faulty message on your machine. So just be aware of that while you're doing this. If you do accidentally touch the contact points, that's okay. You can just grab a lint-free cloth and wipe them down before you install the cartridge into the printer. Okay, so we're about to install the new cartridge. And actually a warning message has appeared on the printer display here just telling us that it's time to replace the cartridge. So you can acknowledge that, and then we'll go ahead and move forward and install the cartridge. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the cartridge. First you have to just open up the front cover here, and then to take out the old cartridge, just push down on the tab here. It'll slide right out. We've got our new cartridge. Put it back into the exact same slot and just press it in gently. Close up the cover. And that's it. You can start printing. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.